GTMetrix is also a great website by Google to analyze your website speed. It's a little bit more in-depth, more detailed than Pingdom, so it can be a little bit intimidating, especially at the beginning, but nevertheless you can find more issues to work on if you want to optimize your website speed. So go to gtmetrix.com and simply paste in your URL and press test your site. And we've got results. So as you can see, we've got many more results. So how many requests the website makes, what's the page size, what's the full loading speed. So it's a little bit different than Pingdom tools because it's detailed. The slow score, the page speed score, and now when you scroll down you can see all of the little page speed improvements and suggestions to work on. So if you feel familiar, if you want, you can see what do they mean. Obviously you can educate yourself as well and see which elements on the page, which elements on the website do they mention. Obviously check other elements of this report so you can find even more in-depth information. You can also download PDF of the report to send it to your website developer if you want someone else to work on your website speed, if it's a concern for you. So this is really useful tool.